Welcome to Jacuzzi Time with Mikey Jacuzzi. I'm doing another little adventure right now. If you guys watch my video from Mountain Beacon in New York, I climbed the fire tower up there. It was pretty tall. This one isn't as bad, but I'm walking up the steps now, so I thought I would keep it consistent and do the same thing. We're on top of this mountain. It's called Pinnacle Knob. I don't know if there's anybody up in here, but oh hell, you can't even get in. There's a gate at the top and it's locked. Holy shit. So yeah, this is about as high as I can go in the Pinnacle Knob Fire Tower. I'll give you guys a little tour. Those are the steps I used to climb up it. It's not as high as the one in New York, thankfully, because if I would have walked all the way to the top of this one and it was that tall and the door would have been locked, I wouldn't have been a happy camper. Anyway, still get some gorgeous views here. So I'm gonna take a few more steps down and get down to this landing, and then I'll show you around a little bit. Kind of disappointing because it's like a big building. I mean, you can see it's pretty big. But anyway, here's a little tour for you. If you look down that way, you can see the gorge right about there. Kind of depressing. Thought I was going to get to go up inside of it, but such is life. Still got some really cool views though. Anyway, not too much else has been happening. I was going to do this this big long loop just to get here, but then I found a different way. I could park about a mile away and walk in, so I decided I'd do that instead, and then I'll go back down to Cumberland Falls, and then I'm going to check out Lover's Leap and the #1 and Moonbow Trail, which is a 10.5 mile loop. So I'm still probably going to get it in my 16 miles or so. It's about 10 till 12 right now. So I've been doing pretty good on time. Not sure how long that 10 miles will take. If I go about 2.5 miles an hour, it won't take too long, about 4 hours or so, maybe a little bit longer, depending on how many photos I take. I've been taking a ton down at Eagle Falls and Cumberland Falls, and then there was a few rocks and ledges that I climbed and got some cool photos. Trying to be a little safe today. Although there was a couple sketchy cliffs that I was on. I didn't even get out my selfie stick though. I should have, because you would have got a better idea of how far of a drop I was next to. If I fall on these stairs, it's going to be a pretty big drop. But I'm enjoying my time down here in Kentucky so much. I'm so glad I brought Prince down too. Still not exactly sure when I'm going to go home. I think the 29th is the latest that I'm going to stay, because I've got a doctor appointment on the 30th. But I'm going to update some of my photos and some of my things for sale, and list them again on like the 28th or something, maybe 27th. And if I get anybody that's interested, then I may go home a little sooner, just to get rid of those. Because when I come back from the beach on July 9th, I just want to be rid of everything that I have other than my clothes and, a few things. That way I can figure out the next step in Mikey Jacuzzi's wonderful life. But breeze feels kind of nice up here. Probably going to get into the high 80s today, I would say. But I don't know if you can see. Let's see. Yeah, if you look where I ate some peanuts before I got on this trail. I think one went down the wrong pipe. Anyway, where that is in the gorge down here, there's a trail that follows on this side of the gorge and the river. So that's what I'm going to be hiking here this afternoon. And when I went down to Cumberland Falls, I forgot to get a video of the falls going over. So I'm going to go back there and do that. I got a couple of Eagle Falls. But yeah, life is good. So far, so good. Ready to be soaking up some rays on the beach, that's for sure. Just a nice relaxing day today. I mean, other than this long hike that I'm going to be doing, I think I've got probably about 4.5 miles in so far, maybe 5. Probably 5 by the time I get back to my vehicle. And then that trail, that Moonbow Trail, is 10.5 miles. And that trail actually goes all the way up to Laurel Lake, and then even further up to the Natural Bridge, which I want to check it out. I may check it out tomorrow because it's not too far from Stephanie's. And I'd like to see that too. But yeah, we are shut out of the building. Elvis has already left, and he took the damn key with him. Probably picked the lock if I really tried, but better not. I guess the lock is on there for a reason. Well, guys, not too much is going on. I decided I did another song on the way down here. It's called Peace, and it's by Oar, O-A-R. I saw them in concert a couple years ago up in Pittsburgh. They were there with Train and Chris Daughtry and Christina Perry at some radio station. Held this event at Pitt University. Eat shit Pitt. But they were pretty cool. There was a few songs that I liked, and that was definitely one of them. So I recorded a version on my way down, so I hope you guys enjoy that when I post it. I don't know why I do that. I love to just get in a truck and drive and sing, and you know, figure what better way to showcase my talents. uh, I only saw one person on this trail coming in here. I don't know. There was no vehicles where I parked, so she must have went all around the mountain. But it is a beautiful day today. I got all these birthday things popping up on my phone right now. So happy birthday. If it's your birthday today or tomorrow or within the next year, happy birthday. Because I may miss it. And nobody better miss my birthday, because it's on the best day of the year, Halloween. So I'll let you know where you guys can send the presents. I just don't know where I'm going to be. Don't know where I'm going to be. Hopefully, hopefully we start a project soon. I'm dying to get back to work. I can't believe I've lasted this long without any income coming in. But